Whether it's in the comics, the cartoons, or the movies, at some point, most of us on this planet know who this iconic wall-crawling red and blue superhero is. Though to fame, he's ignored, action is his reward. Wherever you are in the Spider-Verse, and boy is it ever an amazing one, today's subject is our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. This one is just broken down into simple shapes. 9 ovals, 2 half circles, 2 rectangles, and 2 triangles. I'm going to start off with the oval. And these ovals will be kind of like eggs actually. So this first one will be one egg kind of sitting on its top. It's going to go nice and light as always. Going to go wide at the top. And when we start to go to the bottom, it's going to start to get a little smaller and almost form a point. Nice and light. All right. Then I'm going to give him 2 more ovals, but they're going to be this side and this side. They're going to be kind of close to him, and they're going to be kind of forming a point too, just like this one. But they're going to be much smaller, and they're going to start kind of halfway up. One there. And one here. Now we're going to do some overlapping ovals. As I do my ovals, you're going to notice they're going to kind of form a V. They're going to form a letter V here. So we're going to do this one here. It's going to be a little longer, just a little bit longer than the other one. And it's not going to form a point exactly. But they are going to start to go down to form that V shape. Now we're going to do the next one, and it's going to overlap, and it's going to be thinner and a little longer, because that, as you can see, these are forming out to be his arms. And Spidey's kind of lean, but still very toned. And now we give him 2 rectangles right here, and they're going to be on an angle, kind of sitting on their corners. One here. And one can even overlap a little bit right here. Next, we're going to give him 2 big ovals. These will overlap these 2 ovals, and they'll go out almost into a point, but down to the left. And over that forearm right there. And now we do the same thing on this side, except it'll go down to the right. Now you're starting to see Spidey take his shape now, because as you can see, these are his shoulders, biceps, forearms, and his legs. So let's go ahead and give him his feet, which will be just 2 triangles between these 2 shapes right here. One here to a point, and one there to a point. Now, as we all know, Spidey doesn't have pointy feet, so we're going to fix those with some lines right here. One cutting that off right here, one cutting that point off right there. And then we're going to give him a line here, right about here, to give him a lot of space, because that'll be between his knee, splitting that out. So now you can see the bend in his legs. And then 2 lines here, one from his head to his shoulders, going down to the left, and another one down to the right. And now we can erase some of those overlapping lines, but you want to leave a little bit in between so you can leave some muscle definition for him. And even a little bit of that shoulder line on the inside. Now we can start drawing those lines heavier, start forming them out. Erase those stray marks there. Now, Spidey needs his eyes, which is 1 circle split in 2, but it's going to sit like a pie on an angle. A round piece here, and And then another line, almost like they form a V, and they don't quite meet up in the middle, but they almost. And then a piece here. And let's go ahead and give Spidey his bolder lens look. If you've ever noticed, they kind of form out to a little point like a cat's eye. A little heavy on the top side, not too heavy on the bottom. And last but not least, go ahead and give him a number 8. Thin number 8 right smack in the middle. And darken that number 8. And then I want you to give him 4 staples. 2 pointing up. 1, 2, and 2 pointing down. 1, 2. Now he has his spider insignia. He needs a few more things, like little tiny details, like fingers, of course. 1, 2, 3 lines in the rectangles, not touching the top. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And he needs some thumbs here. So give him tiny rectangles meeting in the middle. 1 and 2. And then 3 lines, 1 straight down, 1 to the left, 1 to the right, and then give them this webbing, which are just kind of like upside down letter U's that connect right along those lines. Make small V between the forms and line underneath it for the costume. If you'd like to go detailed on the mask, the lines split from the center, almost like a sunbeam. And then same thing with the webbing. Letter U connect, wide, wide, wide letter U. Not too many. And then flip them upside down. And there you have it. Our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. So friendly neighborhood readers, thank you very much. And as always, I'll see you next time. Hey, friendly readers, if you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, just click on the button where you can donate, and then you can contribute to produce more things like read-alouds, drawing tutorials, virtual field trips, cartoons, and more. Just go to Storytime, and I'll see you next time.